Vale. Pues reaccionem les dues preguntes. Vale.
We have created a big warehouse in order to be able to get all the demand of services these days. We are experiencing a big increase in the number of deaths. So then we are preparing just in case we would need more space for warehousing. With cooling system is going to be working this afternoon or this evening. Everything is installed. We are just getting all the electrical plugs and everything this afternoon. At the end, during this evening and night, it will be 100% operative. The house is now equipped for nearly 2,000 coffins, but we have the possibility to increase the capacity here and in other big funeral homes we have around the city. So at the end, the capacity will be very, very high. And just to show you that this number is quite important in Madrid. The two new installations of Palacio de Hielo and the Ciudad de la Justicia, and they have both together a capacity of nearly 900 more or less coffins.
Los que están recogiendo los hospitales, que vosotros sabéis estos 2 días, la están jugando.
Claro, es que al final.
Y son para los que reclaman.